Okay, good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Rhea Barmeda, living at Compostela, Davao de Oro, 30 years old. I am a single mother.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, sir.
What is the age of your kid?
7 years old.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
4.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters?
2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Okay, what is your order in the family?
I am a youngest.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I am a college level, taking the course of Bachelor of Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
Okay, why did you not finish your college?
Because that time I am a pregnant and I am focused my son to
Okay.
take her.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a generous person.
Okay, why do you want to work in abroad?
To sustain my son and to help my parents.
Okay, who will take care of your child when you go to abroad?
My mother.
Okay, please tell me your working experience.
I work experience in Saudi Arabia to finish contract 3 years and 1 year extended. I serve at 2 couple, the family, and I clean the house, washing clothes, iron, and helping the online business.
Okay, does the employer have a child?
No, sir.
Okay, when did you start working to your employer?
I work at November 2021 up to September 2024.
Okay, are you the only housemaid in the house?
Yes, sir.
Okay, did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of healthy elderly person?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will you do if the baby will cry?
I sing and I count myself to carrying.
Okay, what will you do if you feel homesick?
I listening my music.
Okay, what will you do if the children are naughty and will not listen to you?
I tell them that please can you behave?
Okay, do you have the full consent of your family to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
I send a financial support.
Okay, are you willing to share a room with the children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and employer will just pay you overtime?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in abroad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please sing a nursery song.
The wheels and the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round, then through the bus and round, all through the town.
Okay, do you know how to swim?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverages?
No, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have food allergy?
No, sir.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No, sir.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, sir.
Do you have surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
Yes, sir. Be humble and be a good employer. Thank you.